Hi, I'm Becky Bart. I am the PI of the Becky Bart Lab, and in my lab we study how plants and microbes interact with each other. We focus on disease-causing organisms, and we also focus on good bacteria, the microbiome. We're particularly interested in how the environment affects those interactions.
Going to be comparing different times of the day to see if inoculating in the morning or inoculating at night is going to affect how susceptible they are to infection. So how does the biological clock affect their susceptibility to infection? So that's the goal. Let's see how it goes.
A new mystery that has turned into Taylor's dissertation is we observed in the field that there's two different bacteria that are infecting cotton, and we currently hypothesize that they're somehow interacting and collaborating to cause disease in that host. So we use a lot of techniques like genome editing to make specific mutations within crop plants. We have a lot of work going on right now in cassava, where we're using gene editing to block the ability of pathogens to access genes within the host that they need to access in order to cause disease. Gene editing is a particularly powerful technique for that because we can do it right here at the Danforth Center. We have a really fantastic tissue culture pipeline that feeds into those projects. We also have some more classic plant pathology projects going on in the lab. For example, Chi Wang is working on sorghum and a bacterial pathogen that causes disease on sorghum. And he's really interested in understanding not only the genetics of the host and the pathogen, but also how the environment influences those interactions. So, for example, temperature, how do fluctuations in temperature affect the disease development in those pathosystems? In the Bart Lab, we currently work on 3 different plants. We work on cassava, which is an important food security crop in a lot of the world. We also work on sorghum, which is a food security crop and also important for biofuels. And more recently, we've started working on cotton, which of course is an important cash crop in much of the world. A couple of other science-adjacent things that are important about the Bart Lab is we have a no jerks policy. We also have a philosophy of work hard, play hard. So we try to do a lot of things as a lab that build community, having dinners together pre-pandemic. We look forward to doing that again sometime, hopefully soon.
Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in into this video. My name is Taylor, and all I wanted to be able to do today was capture some of the gloriousness of the Bart Lab. Congratulations on getting your interview, and please enjoy this miraculous video produced by Justino. I appreciate you a lot.